Hello everyone, find the link in the description of this video to know about my bundle offer. Google has announced the release of Gemma 3, the latest and most advanced version of its open model family. Building on the success of previous Gemma models, which have been downloaded over 100 million times and inspired over 60,000 community-created variations, Gemma 3 introduces highly requested features like multimodality and longer context windows. Gemma 3 supports vision language input and text outputs, handling context windows up to 128K tokens. It understands over 140 languages and boasts improved capabilities in math, reasoning, and chart, including structured outputs and function calling. Available in 4 sizes, 1 billion, 4 billion, 12 billion, and 27 billion, Gemma 3 comes as both pre-trained models for fine-tuning and general-purpose instruction-tuned versions. The model's enhanced performance is attributed to optimized pre-training and post-training processes utilizing distillation, reinforcement learning, and model merging. Gemma 3 employs a new tokenizer for better multilingual support and was trained on a massive dataset using Google TPUs and the JAX framework. Post-training incorporates techniques like reinforcement learning from human feedback and machine feedback to improve alignment with human preferences and enhance mathematical reasoning. Gemma 3's multimodality is powered by an integrated vision encoder based on Siglip, enabling it to analyze images and videos, answer questions about images, compare images, identify objects, and even interpret text within images. A new adaptive window algorithm allows Gemma 3 to work with high resolution and non-square images. Developers can start experimenting with Gemma 3 through Google AI Studio, download model weights on Hugging Face and Kaggle, and integrate it into their projects using various tools and frameworks like Hugging Face Transformers and Ollama. Deployment options include Google GenAI API, Vertex AI, and cloud platforms. Thanks for watching this video.